Hello students. So today we are going to learn about adding two binary numbers and subtracting two binary numbers. In the previous class we have learned how to convert any binary number and any decimal number into binary. So today let's see how to add and subtract two binary numbers. So first of all we will learn about how to add two binary numbers. So we have to follow this table right here. Like you can see, when we add two zeros we get 0. When we add 0 and 1 we get 1. 1 0 as 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. In normal addition you know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But when we convert 2 into binary number, so we will get as 1 0. Okay, you can see right here I am solving it here. Okay, you can see now the answer is 1 0. Okay, so whenever we will be adding two ones, the answer will always come as 1 0. Okay, now let's do first question. Okay, so this is 111 plus 1 0. We will add these two binary numbers. So we will follow the basic maths addition procedure. Like first we will write the first number and below that we will write the second number. Now 1 plus 0, we will follow the table. Okay, 1 plus 0. So what is the answer? 1 plus 0 is 1. It is just like a normal addition. Then 1 plus 1, as I have told you, that it will be 1 0. So 0 will be written here and 1 will be carried forward. Okay, then again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. It is simple. As you do your normal addition, it is like that only. Only the thing you have to keep in mind, whenever 1 you will be adding, its answer will be 1 0 and 1 will be carried forward. Okay, let's do one more question. This is only two numbers. Now we will do a number which is having three numbers. We will add three binary numbers. Okay, so let's take number as 110 plus 101 plus, let's take 111. Okay, now we will add three numbers at a time. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. Whatever things I am doing right here, you have to follow these rules. So we will write it as it is, one after the other. We will add it. Now you have to keep in mind, whenever you are adding more than two numbers, you have to make a group of two. We will not add all three or four, any number together. We have to add two at a time. Okay, because in the table only two numbers we can add at a time. Okay, so we will make it in a group of two. So 0 plus 1, when we'll add 0 plus 1, what is the answer? 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so its answer is 1. Now 1 plus 1 will be again 1 0. So 0 we will write down here and 1 will be carried forward. Now we are having now four numbers to add. So again we will do it likewise 2 2. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 1 0 and then we will add 0 in it. What will be the answer? Again it will come 1 0. Now when we will add 1, again we will add 1. It will become 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 we will write as it is. So what is the answer? 1 1. So again 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried forward. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is again 1 0. 1 plus 1 and plus 1 will be 1 1. I am doing it directly. Then again we will add 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 1 0. 1 will be carried forward and 1 plus 1 again will come as 1 0. So we will write 1 0 here and 10 will be carried forward. Now 1 0 plus 1, what is the answer? It will be 1 1. Okay, so this is the answer, 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so you have to keep in mind, while adding more than two numbers, you have to make a group of two and then you have to add. Okay, in the same way we will be doing subtraction also. Let's see how to do subtraction. Now again, subtraction, we will have one more table, like 0 minus 0 will be, it will be 0, 0 minus 1 will be 1, 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. It is simple, as you do in your normal maths. Okay, so I have taken one question as 111 minus 10. As you know that we can only subtract two numbers at a time, so we cannot add three numbers together, subtract three numbers together or four numbers together. We have to make a group of two and then only we can subtract. So here I am doing the subtraction according to the table. So 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 1 is as it is. Let's do another question, little bit big question we will do. I have taken as 4 times 1 minus 1011. Okay, all right. So what is the answer? 1 minus 1 will be, tell me the answer. It will be 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is again 0. So this is how we are going to subtract. The answer is 0 1 0 0. This is the answer. So this is the way to subtract two numbers, binary numbers, and add two binary numbers.